Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you, Dr. Rahul and the team. Um, it's a pleasure speaking with you today about the fascinating world of omics data science. Nowadays, generating omics data is a common activity. That is what we are learning and hearing all the time. I was recently reading this, and I read that Kerala turns to genomic sequencing for dengue, sickle cell anemia, and treatments. It was in a national paper, and you'd see such news more often than not in the mainstream news, and which is a very, very good thing for all of us here because this has been a need of the hour. So, what we have learned is that, and many of you know, that genomics, transcriptomics, proteomics, metabolomics are arguably the most developed and used omics, but there are other omics studies as well. Like all of these omics studies actually describes the functioning of the cell, which requires integrate relationships at different omics level. For example, epigenomics describes the transitionary uh, chemical modification of the DNA, and lipidomics looks at the lipidic subpopulation of metabolites. So omics diversity mirrors the complexity of cell systems. So with the constant improvements of measuring techniques such as next generation sequencing, possibility to access ever larger subsystems of cells are increasing. So omics dataset generation and pairing it with software development, essential tools and technologies that are involving led to the omics data science field, which is an interdisciplinary field that kind of integrates various omics technologies um, to understand the roles, relationships, and the action of the molecules of the cell of an organism. Uh, in this PG diploma program, uh, we will be utilizing a lot of commercial as well as open source tools. And to give you an overview, at OmicsLogic, what we have done is that we have prepared a pipeline for everyone to start from very beginner level, which means that as you have seen that many students that we get are from different educational background, coming from different type of expertise that they have. To personalize it and to make sure that everyone is at the same level, we start from there, and then we deep dive into different type of omics technology, their application using machine learning and data science. So the omics logic is going to be fully utilized in this course, which means that all that you see here will be available for all the students and students who will be working with us throughout this year as the postgraduate diploma program or the certificate 1 and certificate 2. So the training modules are placed like this, where you will be able to learn from a lot of such resources as you can see on my screen. All of this is placed together in a curriculum manner so that it all makes sense and nobody is missing out on anything and getting overwhelmed. So learning from the beginner level to intermediate level, and then trying to work on an advanced level. So how do we do this in a very unique fashion is because of the hands-on part and the project-based learning. So once you learn about the technology, the next thing is to learn about the application of that technology for a specific type of research. And that sort of research is being simplified and provided to you as courses that you'll be able to learn from very easily. And there will be a mentor to support all of this throughout this period. This is a very unique program at ID Jodhpur that we're really proud of, because I think I haven't found anything of such a program across anywhere in the world. And we are an international organization where we are integrating this into different type of uh, curriculums, where you will not be able to use just the resources that I saw, but also everything in one place, learning about all of this in much detail with the help of help of a mentor, and then to be able to translate it into research or research interest or a project. That is what we have learned. So this is the entire workflow, where you start from a beginner level, then you move into technologies, learn about data science, learn about omics data science, and learn about the different steps in data science. For example, data processing, data integration, combining data from different omics platforms. Data processing means cleaning and normalization. So there is a lot of statistics which is going to be involved in this. And I think when we think about data, actually, in any respect, we think about visualization, that how that data would look. We think about graphs. We think about statistics. I just couldn't fail to notice that we just finished a cricket World Cup, and even in those times, I see so much statistics coming into the screens, making everyone interesting. Similar things happen in bioinformatics. When you combine data, when you integrate data, then you see different types of pattern, and those patterns lead to discovery. And to do this, we have different types of tools: statistical analysis, machine learning, and AI. We talked about biomarkers. There is personalized medicine. There is drug discovery. There is agriculture. There is environmental science, and also sports and health, which are like one of the major areas in this. So, as I said, this is a very unique opportunity where industry is participating along with best of academia and best of industry. And there we are combining all of this into a unique experience. And given the opportunity that we have to work with you for 6 months or 1 year, makes it really, really possible. So, in conclusion, I'll just say that I'm looking forward for all of you to learn more about this, and maybe join us in this program and get recognition that one would deserve after learning so much and trying to apply this. So all of this is available here for you to review, and we have great outcomes coming from the first few batches of the students, and we look forward to learning more from you. Thank you so much.